Okay, we're working on the Pascagoula catboat 16-footer. We cut the 3/4 inch strips for gonna make up the keel today. There's 4 of them, so 3 inches of keel. It's gonna be beveled on the bottom, so there needs to be extra. So you can get the bevels up here. It's gonna be a kind of what we call a destroyer bow, a V bow. Then it's gonna flare out to mostly flat amidships, but it's going to be a V bottom all the way from bow to stern, kind of like the Sunfish is. And there's the centerboard slot cut in the middle, and then just after the centerboard the keel batten starts rising up. So we screwed the boards all down and together with one another right here, so that's secured to the deck, and then we sprung them up to try to get that 12-inch rise. Got it up about 7-8 inches with the with Skipper's Sunfish hoist line, and then switched over to ratchet strap after that. So that's gonna sit there. We're pre-bending is what Skipper and Captain Jack call it. Kind of training it to get used to being in that position. Spray it with a little water each day. Let that soak in. And hot Florida sunshine, a little bit of humidity, a little bit of water. It should be ready to go here in a few days. So that's what we were working on today. Might cut out some transom pieces. We also cut out the skeg, which is a little piece that goes right there. We see that can of Total Boat bottom paint. A little vertical piece that goes there that's part of the keel. We're laminating it together out of 3/4 inch thick strips also. We've got it rough cut and we can work on fitting it tomorrow. So now the question becomes, you fit the keel to the skeg or the skeg to the keel. So maybe we'll get somewhere in between and let the two pieces decide. So that's what we're working on. We got zip. We're going to start putting hardware back on tomorrow. Get the sail all set up, get her all ready to go for Saturday summer solstice. Hope y'all are doing great. We'll be talking to you soon.